Ever wondered what it feels like to have your bank in the palm of your hand, literally? No more lines, no more paperwork, just pure, unadulterated banking freedom. Today, we're diving into the world of neon banking, a revolutionary concept that's shaking up the traditional financial landscape. So, let's get started. What is neon banking? Neon banking is a digital-only banking platform that offers a wide range of financial services without the need for a physical branch. Think of it as your personal financial assistant, always available at your fingertips. Neon banks use cutting-edge technology to provide a seamless and convenient banking experience. Key features of neon banking. Mobile app. Neon banks are all about convenience. Their mobile apps are designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to manage your finances on the go. No physical branches. Say goodbye to long queues and limited opening hours. Neon banks operate entirely online, giving you access to your money 24/7. Personalized experience. Neon banks use data analytics to understand your financial habits and tailor their services to your needs. Competitive rates. Neon banks often offer competitive interest rates on savings accounts and loans, helping you make the most of your money. Fee-free services. Many neon banks provide fee-free services, such as transfers, payments, and ATM withdrawals. Benefits of neon banking. Time saving. Neon banking eliminates the need for physical visits to branches, saving you valuable time. Convenience. With a neon bank, you can access your money anytime, anywhere, using your mobile device. Security. Neon banks employ advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Flexibility. Neon banking offers a wide range of financial products and services to suit your needs. How to choose a neon bank. When selecting a neon bank, consider the following factors. Features and services. Ensure the bank offers the features and services you need, such as savings accounts, current accounts, loans, and credit cards. Fees and charges. Compare the fees associated with different neon banks to find the most cost-effective option. Customer reviews. Read reviews from other customers to get a sense of the bank's reputation and customer service. Neon banking is a game changer, offering a convenient, secure, and personalized banking experience. If you're tired of the hassle of traditional banking, it's worth considering a neon bank. With its innovative features and competitive rates, neon banking can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. So, that's it for today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.